meant to be, it'll be, baby, just let it be. So
hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do another review for you guys. This review is going to be my JC exclusive hair. I really love this hair company, as you guys probably can tell. This is going to be my either 4th review on this hair or 5th review on this hair. This is the 2nd time. The first time I had this hair, I had a 14 inches and a 12 inch. And I absolutely loved it, you guys. So I got some more hair. And I'm going to give you guys the specs of this hair. And I'm going to give you guys kind of like an update of this hair. So I got this hair, this right here, in like the beginning of November. I can't remember the exact date of November, but I want to say it was the beginning of November. Sorry, I'm looking out. I'm on my phone. The inches that I have is an 18, a 16, and a 14. And I did layer it the first time that I had it installed in my hair. I did layer it, so you will see some layers. And I do have leave out. I do have some leave out. So I got an 18, a 16, and a 14 inch. And this is the version straight textured hair. And I really do love it, you guys. I really do love it. Now, before I get too far into the video, I want to let you guys know I do have a coupon code for you guys. It's Missarethea, and it'll save you $60. It's $60 off of your total order, you guys. I'm going to actually show y'all their website while I'm recording this video. So make sure you guys use that code if you want to order you some hair. They also have like curly hair, wavy hair. I got the straight texture, as well as they do have closures. Now, what I like about this hair, I've had it since November. I had it installed in November. I wore it like some every kind of way. I'm gonna show you guys some pictures. So I wore the hair basically every which way you could think of. I styled it in every style that I could think of. I love wearing the straight, wavy, curly. I just loved it, you guys. So, and I have some more pictures on my Instagram if you guys want to check out my Instagram. It's actually the coupon code name, Missarethea. So I really did enjoy the hair. I kept it in, I want to say, for like a month and a half, getting some of every kind of hairstyle out of it that I could. So I took it out in December, and then just recently I've had it installed about 2 weeks, going on 3 weeks. Just recently I was like, I should wash my hair and reinstall it. So that's exactly what I did, you guys. I co-washed it first. I co-washed it in like some Suave conditioner, because at the time that's all I had. So I co-washed it in some Suave conditioner. Then I actually shampoo it with my Dove shampoo. And then I co-washed it again in some Suave shampoo. And then I put some more conditioner on and I let it set. And once it set, I let it set for maybe about an hour. And then I washed it off again. Y'all, the hair came out extremely soft. And ever since then, I have been rocking it straight. I've been rocking it wavy. And like I said, I've only had it in for 3 additional weeks. I love how fast the hair bounced back. Like, once I co-washed, I did not blow dry. I did air dry it. It air dried perfect, you guys, like perfect. The texture when it got finished air drying felt like some blow dried hair. Like, not blow dry hair. Yeah, blow dry hair that was moist with conditioner. It had a really soft feel to it, but it was not bone straight, and I love that it was not bone straight, because my hair isn't bone straight. And that's one of the things that I do like about this company. This hair blends so much with my hair. Now, my hair probably ain't blending right now because I ain't curling, but it blends so much with my natural hair. And so whenever I reinstalled it after I let it air dry and everything, and it was like super soft, this is exactly how it looked on my hair and how it blended so well with my natural hair. So if you're looking for some hair that is more towards our texture, now my hair is relaxed. I do get relaxers, but I feel like it matches our hair texture so well. I don't really wear closures and frontals, no particular reason. I just don't wear them. But I haven't tried them. But anywho, that's besides the point. That's besides the point. But I just love how well it blends with my hair. I get a lot of compliments on my hair, whether I'm in the store, at work. I just get a whole lot of compliments. I do want to show you guys their website, because I want to show you guys how their website look. I want you guys, if you have not tried their hair, definitely use my coupon code that will be listed in the description box, as well as their website, and all of their social medias will be listed in the description box. I want you guys to go check them out. And they did not ask me to do this video. I don't even think they know I'm doing this video. Of course, I'll let them know after, but they don't even know I'm doing this video, you guys. So I definitely want you to go check them out. So I want to show you guys some of the hair that they have. They have the body wave. Like it. There we go. They have the body wave. And that's the curling. And that's the curling. And then let me show you guys the hair I have in. The virgin texture. Mom. Here's the kids, y'all.
Baby, tell me the up.
Sorry, y'all. They also have closures. I want to show you guys the closures. I want to also show y'all their prices. So this is the closure. Can't see the closure? I'm focusing on my face. There we go. That's the closures that they have. And I want to show you guys the curly as well as the wavy. Here's the body wave. That's the body wave, and as you guys can see how much their hair start off as, and I have a $60 coupon in my bio. So once you guys, basically when y'all order out some bundles, y'all gonna be getting a bundle free. Depending on what length you get, you're gonna be getting a bundle free. And another cool thing that I love about this company, I don't wear lashes or anything like that, but I love the fact that they send me lashes, so I have the option if I wanted to put on some lashes. I suck at putting them on, but if I wanted to, I could put on some lashes. And I just want to show you guys, last but not least, their Instagram, because I want you guys to go follow them on Instagram. Definitely check out their Instagram page. Go spam their comments, show them some love. But it is JC exclusive hair, so I definitely want you guys to check out this company. You will not be disappointed, especially if you're looking for some hair. I know the summertime is coming, and I don't know, I'm kind of opposite. During the wintertime, I prefer to have my hair out. During the summertime, I want to wear weave. So if you guys are like me and want to wear weave, definitely check them out. Once again, Missarethea will be listed in the bio below, so that you guys can save $60 off. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Any other questions and comments that you guys have, please leave those below. I will answer you back. Please leave those below. But don't forget to save your $60. And then once again, the name of the hair company is JC Exclusive Hair. I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.
If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. So won't you ride with me, ride